Hey everyone, welcome to the continuation of project control. A recap: in the previous uh, recording, we basically built 16 tiles from an array, which is basically just the limit of work that we have here in the background in white. And we did not assign regions. So this example is basically where we're going to explore how to assign regions. Again, we start the timer here just so you can follow, and we go from there. So how to define regions and what are regions? Assume that you have a large project and you prefer to have your like, for example, the northeast is a region, southwest is a region, etc., which will help you control the drawing. And which is pretty cool is when you want to see it on the key maps, you can have key maps per region and key maps per overall project, which give you a focus area and then overall area, which Sheet Agent will cover those. So how to define regions? You basically press on define region and you're going to do add. You can, if you have them pre-drawn, you can select or you can draw them. You don't need to be accurate. And then you have to give it a name. So the default is region, but you can do area, you can do sector, you can do anything. You're just gonna go with the default just so it's faster to show it. And you can see I'm not drawing it to the exact, like at the boundary. You can go over, you can go under, doesn't matter. The program will basically compute the percentage of the tile within a region and assign it to that region. You can always change those, etc. So once you've done, you simply press done. And what we have now are 4 regions, but you can see the tiles all over the place. What should we do next? So assign discipline will open a new function for you. You can see here that we have sectors, and then drawn sectors 4. Then you have renumber per sector or keep master order, and you can have sector numbering. What is sector numbering? For this example, we're not going to do it, but I've seen it and I've done it before where I'd like each region to start with a different suffix. So currently they're all like 0, 1 through 16, but I can say I want region 1 to be 11, for example. And I want the region 2 to start at 20. And region 3 starts at 30. Or it works better with the hundreds because you have a bigger one. I want region 1 to be 101. I want region 2 to be 120 or 200. Again, depending how you want it to be. This way you can have each region, each sector with its own number, and then you can define or you can find them easy, especially if you have 100 plus layouts and 6-7 regions. That will help. This one is pretty simple. So now what you do is basically simply apply and render, and you can see things moved. Now you have region 1, only the sheets in that region. Region 2, only the sheets in that specific region 2, etc. So apply accept. You can see colors switch. So each color now is assigned to the square or rectangle that it's in it. Greens are in green, yellow are in yellow, blue are in blue, and reds are of course in red. Same with the numbers. You can see 1, 2 or region 1, 3 through 7, and then you have 8 through 11 and 12 through 16. It renumbered them just so it keeps each region together. So now, of course, critical, which we covered what is critical in this case. So build here, and then you can see it where we're gonna do please build. And it's gonna ask us to back them. We're gonna say simply no. And again, I built only one discipline, which is the usual when we do a major change, so we save time. I built only one. It's gonna see, it's gonna go through it, it's gonna start changing the names, it's gonna start changing the numbers, and once that's good, we'll open it up, see how it's going, and then come back to it and show you how we can add key maps per region and key maps per key plan, which at that stage you have the full project control covered, and it's up to you how you want to build it, how you want to play with it, change it, etc. and it's pretty helpful, to be honest. I've been using it on some live projects of my own, and it took a huge load of me, myself, and the team with me. It's just been helpful, very helpful. It's almost done. I think we're looking around a minute left or less. Yeah. So minute two, a minute 21 seconds. Sorry, it took to build. You can see it built two sheets for 0102, which matches the region. It did 5 for 2, and I always look at this summary just to cross-check if everything is correct or not. I'm having this weird thing from Civil 3D, so we'll see what this second streetwise keep showing here. But the publishing is almost done. We can open a drawing. Oh, let's check sheet set first. Just a typical, we've done existing conditions, so we can see if existing conditions are here. Yep, they're here, EX1 through EXC. I think all of it is good. The plot is almost done. It's pretty quick when you have smaller set, to be honest. And I'll speed up this portion just so we don't have to wait. Okay, plot completed. Let's see, what did we get? The selection and the plot summary. Okay, so what do we have here? The index should not change since it's almost the same. It's just changed the numbers, right? It used to have 1, 2, 3. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just number them. Index 1, you can see it's now here. 2 is here. You can see it changed the region, or it brought the region in. From before, it used to be blank because there was no regions. Now we have the regions. In here, same with your match line, CCO5, which is CO5 here, 8, 9, so 9 is down below. And up here, if we go to, I think this is region 4, which is the bottom region, you can see it's region 4, C016, C7. It just renumber them, rename them, etc., just so it matches your region and save you time from going back and forth. Now you can notice the key map is only showing the key plan, which is the overall project. How about we change it, or how about we add another one? That would be a great example here. We don't need set title block. We need to add set key map area. Again, it's going to take you straight to underscore title block, which is your canvas. And you can do add. You're going to draw one. Again, like I'm drawing them weirdly, sorry about this. But now you have the option to add zones. So simply add a zone. And again, we're going to come here and we're going to do existing condition and needs update. Why does it show status not built even though we built them before? Remember, we changed files, we changed file locations, we changed tile placement across drawings. So in its brain, it's thinking that it wasn't built to match what you have currently on the screen. It doesn't mean it wasn't fully built as a DWG. What it's going to do is going to open those DWGs and create or update them. It's not going to create a new ones. All it's going to do, it's going to replace those with the new version that you've had. So with existing condition selected, I'm going to press update. Again, it's going to ask us, do you want to back it up? I'm going to say no. This is not a live project, so it doesn't matter for me if we lose it or not. And then we go from here. And I'm going to go on a quick mute. It's going to take about a minute, and then we'll be back. Okay, we're back. Again, it takes about 2 minutes plus minus to do the full run over your entire, or in this example, to my entire 5 drawings in this case, which is fairly quick. If you're doing it manually, it might take way longer. And what it did in this case, it added the key map on all. So we don't have to wait for the plot. Let's open any drawing and see what it did for the key plan or key map. So you can see 2 different zooms. This is region 2, and you can see it created a small key map for the zone, which is our case is region 2 zone, and you still have the overall key plan key map, which showcases our entire project. These are the two things that are really helpful. It helps large projects keep it focused. A lot of contractors prefer this, so they know where they are zoomed in and where they are as an entire project. This is few of what project control can do, so I hope this is helpful, and we'll see you when we're going to build the multi or alignment based project control, which is very similar to a regular multi VP, but this time in project control. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.